Abby. We bought this. Ready, start! Me and Abby know that she is happy here. She will be happy here.
But baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel.
Michelle, you wanna try? We're having samosa party.
It's hard to believe.
So, sasabihin ko na din ngayon na itong pag-uwi namin sapat na, hindi. Where are we going? Let me see, what's that? Daddy, arts and craft. Daddy bought them paint.
Hello! Hello!
Kunin muna natin yung mga nakasampay dito.
अच्छा है ब्रश में अच्छा है
Yeah. Dito din yung kaibigan Abby. We bought this paper and paint so the kids can enjoy. We'll see who will paint the best, okay? We'll see.
Mama ये open for me Mama ये
That's your daddy. That's not your mama G. That is Mitty's mama G.
this is my paint
Here,
Ready?
you can use your hand also, okay? No problem with the paintbrush. You can use your hand also.
ये वाला भी और ये वाला भी मिट्टी का सेम है मेरे पे
I will open all. Use whatever you want.
रुक जाओ
Rook job.
रुक जाओ
You all start together, okay? Mimi, wait for them.
Oh, look at my paint
Wow.
different colors I can use everything oh
Yes, you can use.
okay
Ready, start.
but my daddy
Okay,
This
start.
way. Start.
मिठी क्या हुआ?
Mimi, you
Chair
can draw
chahiye?
a star. You can draw
मिठी needs chair.
flower. You can draw whatever. Okay?
मिठी को chair चाहिए.
Mitty needs chair. Be careful, it will fall. Her colors ba?
हाँ, start करो मिठी.
Wow, what are you making, Mimi? Unicorn? Wow, so pretty.
Wow, मिठी.
Very good, Mitty.
Very good.
Okay. Kanina, tatlo pa to sila. Yung isang pinsan lumabas na kasi makikipaglaro na sa kanyang mga friends doon sa baba. Dito sa Patna, hindi talaga sila mawawala ng magagawa. Tapos si Mishka hindi na siya maboboard. Nung nasa Madikeri kami, all the time she will say, Mommy, play with me, Daddy, play with me. Ngayon, never niya na na-mention yan kasi all the time, andyan yung pinsan. Though hindi naman sila talaga palagi naglalaro dito.
what is butcher
Pinsan. Pinsan is cousin. Kasi sa umaga, pumapasok sa school yung mga bata. Then sa hapon, pag uwi, kakain ng lunch, matutulog. So usually evening time lang sila naglalaro or minsan pag nasa loob kami ng bahay, pupunta yung mga pinsan or minsan pupunta kami kina Honey. Hindi na siya nabuboard na siya lang mag-isa kasi may kasama na siyang maglaro. There are some of you who's concerned of Mishka that again she will adjust here in Patna. But one reason why we decided to go back home is because of her also. We want her to be with her grandparents, with her family here. She will grow up with memories of them. Hindi yung memories niya lang is tuwing nagbabakasyon kami. But this time, she will grow up with her cousins. They will have memories together. And that she will remember when she's older. Yung isa din na dito kami sa Patna is because alam namin na hindi siya yung mag-a-adjust talaga ng alam mo yung malaking adjustment. Kasi alam niya na may pamilya kami dito sa Patna, may bahay kami dito sa Patna. I don't think na mas malaki yung magiging adjustment niya dito compare sa nung lumipat kami sa Madikeri. Kasi dito, well adjusted na siya sa kanyang mga pinsan, sa kanyang mga pamilya dito. So, there's nothing to worry about Mishka and her adjustment. Maybe sa school niya, somehow, there will be adjustments. But dito sa bahay namin, I know that she's in good place. We both know, me and Api know that she is happy here. She will be happy here. Nice picture. Miti, what about you? Show me. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands, Mimi. Finally, we have our gas cylinder. Now we can cook. Feels like it's going to rain, but we're going out.
Mommy, Annie, Bayam won't go. Mommy said to go.
Okay. We are going because we need to buy Mimi shoes.
Mommy, if we take a picture, they're going to smash us. Big shoes. Let's check everyone.
We'll check. We'll ask Bea if we have shoes. Bea, for yeah, school shoes. No.
No.
We don't have cutting. We're going to check here if they have shoes. Four.
Open.
This is nice.
Let's pick one.
Just because we're only buying your black shoes, we're not buying anything else. Oh, this is nice.
Let's check it if this is cute.
Yes.
Mommy, see this one.
Ooh, nice.
And this one is like Elsa.
Yeah, get up here.
Mommy. What's this?
अब चल के देखिए
Walk, Mishka, walk.
वॉकिंग करके देखिए
No running. Just walk. Come back. Mishi. Just for Beth, you like it? Is it comfy inside?
इधर साइज है ये बड़ा सा बड़ा है
Mommy, this tree Mickey Mouse.
थोड़ा सा फैलेगा भी लूज होगा थोड़ा सा लूज हो गया ये देख
Mommy.
That one is
ठीक है, सर।
ठीक है ना, ठीक है। साल एक साल चल जाएगा ना।
हाँ बच्चा चलेगा
Mommy,
एकदम से खाली
Can
टाइट
I-
ठीक ओके केयरफुल केयरफुल
We are back home and this is the shoes that we bought for Mimi. Other side, Lablab, other side. Ito yung binili namin na shoes. Parang kagaya dito sa kay Niti kasi madali lang ba para sa kanya magsuot-suot. Tapos sobrang comfy niya guys and lightweight. Mishi, you wanna try?
not yet.
Not yet, okay. Because tomorrow is school day. New shoes for Mimi for tomorrow. Sa Matikeri, hindi talaga kami compulsory na bumili ng bagong shoes kasi meron siyang sports shoes na ginagamit. We're having samosa party.
समोसा पार्टी
Wake up to the world so wide, chasing dreams we can't hide. Through the lens we paint our day, life unfiltered, come what may. Click the play and feel the vibe. Every moment come alive. JB's life is raw and real. Spin the
Well, books we need to cover tonight.
Help. Can I wrap it? I know how.
Wait, baby, wait, baby.
Is that too?
It's fine. Okay. Thank you. Wait, Marcel.
My baby will go to school with her new uniform,
New bag.
shoes, new bag, everything new. I think
You go far away.
no.
Tapos Evelyn na muna yung magpatulog kay Meshka. I will finish covering her books. We're going to sleep early tonight because tomorrow is the first day of school and she needs to get used to waking up at 7 siguro. Because now she needs to go to school by 8:30. Before 9:30, but this time she will go to school at 8:30. 8:30 to 12:30. In our previous vlogs, I am still receiving comments asking that why you keep on transferring this and that. Your situation is very difficult. You don't have permanent house. Adjustment for Mishka is hard and all this. Minsan nakakapagod ba yung paulit-ulit na sumagot sa mga comment na bakit palipat-lipat kayo palagi ganyan. But to those who understands our situation, thank you so much. Nasagot ko naman na yung mga dahilan sa mga videos namin kung bakit ganito, yung sitwasyon namin, bakit kailangan namin lumipat and all. So Abhi's work was in banking. The biggest bank here in India. It's a government bank. And for them, as officers, they are not allowed to stay in one place after 5 years. And if the transfer list will come, you cannot say, no, I don't want to transfer. You really have to transfer. For officers, for clerks, they can stay in one place, in one branch for as long as they want. But for officers, you cannot say no. So that's the reason why we were transferring. And that's also one of the many reasons why even before, Abhi really thought that he will not stay forever in this job until his retirement. Because itong pag-transfer guys, nakakapagod siya. Nagatid si Hani ng Manchurian. Kasi sabi ko kanina, ang sarap ng luto niyang Manchurian. Sabi niya, meron pa ako doon, bigyan kita. So, to be continued, especially when Mishka arrived. We were really thinking of Mishka. Even before she started schooling, we were thinking of her. How she will cope up if we keep on transferring from one place to another. That's why this house was built. Because this is our safety net. If you have watched our Patna house tour before, almost 3 years ago, I have posted our house tour, this house, during Mishka's first birthday. If you go back to that video, I have mentioned there that whatever happens in the future, because we have a house here in Patna, we feel, safe, secured, that we have a place to live. So even before, we already know that we are coming back home. So before, our transfers were because of Abhi's job that he needs to transfer. But this Patna transfer, this is because of our choice. So sasabihin ko na din ngayon na itong pag-uwi namin sa Patna, hindi ito yung pang forever talaga na dito na talaga kami forever. Because if you again watch the video of the house tour, I have also mentioned there that our goal really is to live in Bangalore because we love Bangalore. And at that time, when I did that house tour video of our Patna house, we were living in Bangalore that time. Bangalore is like my comfort place. So that time I said that our goal is to, go back to Bangalore, and hopefully one day we can stay there for good. So again, if someday we are going to transfer, I hope others won't question our decision that why again you're going to transfer. Lipat na naman kayo ng lipat, ganun. Because we don't know what will happen in the future. Umuwi kami dito because dito talaga yung roots ni Abhi, diba? Ito yung kanyang hometown, andito yung kanyang pamilya. But when it comes sa, progress ng lugar, though city itong Patna or ito yung capital ng state ng Bihar. Pero compare mo siya sa ibang mga metro cities, underdeveloped talaga yung Patna. I can only compare Karnataka, state of Karnataka, since we have lived there for many years. So, the difference between the people, the education, the roads, the infrastructure between Bihar and Karnataka are really, worlds apart. Lahat naman tayo, di ba, hinahanap natin kung saan magiging progressive yung buhay natin, kung saan yung nakikita natin na ikabubuti ng ating pamilya, ng ating anak. So, doon tayo. Our stay here in Patna is not really fixed or final. We have other plans in life. So, hopefully, those goals we will accomplish for our, brighter future. So, we'll see in the future, guys, kung ano mangyayari sa aming buhay. Just that I wanted to say this because again, when the time that we'll have to leave someday, maybe, I hope no one will question our decisions.
Please like our channel, subscribe.